Be sure to cook.
Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making fried pickle wedges. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, in a large or a medium bowl, this big glass bowl, but you can use any bowl you want, we're going to be doing our mix. All right, I'm going to crack a large egg, which I cracked it already busted. That's what I needed anyway. Got my whisk. I'm just going to finish beating this egg up. So I want to beat it up really good because I'm going to start adding all my liquids. Okay, I had to make really cold water. So I got a couple of ice cubes in here that I'm not going to be using, but I need 3/4 cups of cold water. And believe me, this is all 3/4 cups. 3/4 cups of really cold water to my eggs. Oh, it's like it's trying to cook it. It's really cold. I know we making the fried pickles, but we really wanted to taste like pickles just in case. It's not in case. Sometimes when you bread stuff, you lose the flavor of what you're doing. So we ate 1 teaspoon of pickle juice. I've got a teaspoon of all around seasoning. This is mine, but it can be any of yours. You can use any of your favorite all around seasoning that you want. You want to mix this up also in here and get it in here just nice and good. Now, I have 3/4 cups of flour. You can use plain old regular flour. You can use your seasoning mix flour. Anything that's going to make your stuff taste really good. This is just 3/4 cups of flour. And I'm mixing this in as I am stirring it with my whisk. Okay, I have 4 big dill pickles out and they're draining. And I don't want anything on there, but I wanted to drain them as much as I can. Now I'm going to add a little bit of spice because I want a little spice. So I'm adding some cayenne pepper. If you can't find cayenne pepper, just get the red pepper. The ground red pepper is the same thing. It's cayenne pepper. So a lot of people don't know that. And they're like, oh, I'm looking for cayenne pepper and I can't find it. It says red pepper. Well, red pepper and cayenne pepper are the same. As I let these sit, I'm going to dump them inside of my batter. The batter is still kind of lucified a little bit, but that's okay because you don't want them like covered, and you want them to sit in here for a little bit and just let them soak in here just a little bit to get that flavor through that pickle. We're gonna let these sit for about 15 minutes and we'll come back and we got our flour mix in here. You can do the plain flour, you can have seasoned flour, however you want it. I've got a small little pan here and I'm a homemade deep fry these. So I'm gonna cover my oil to about halfway just to make sure they're deep fried. Okay, I'm gonna take my flour and I'm gonna put it on just a little plate here. It could be like a paper plate or something you don't have to keep cleaning all the time. And they have soaked. So I'm gonna flip these around because they only land one way. And I'm gonna flip these around because they only land one way. And I'm going to let this drain a little. Then I'm gonna put them into the flour. Doing all of them like that because it's just 4 that I'm making. And don't forget, guys, these are wedges. People make the round pickles, but sometimes you don't want chips. Sometimes you want that good wedge. Let's let that one soak. Let's get our other ones covered. So I'm just gonna take the flour mix and I'm just gonna toss, it over a little bit. And you gotta make sure that it's kind of dry there. You wanna take them. You wanna shake as much of the flour off. Don't forget they're still kind of wet because pickles are wet. So that's why you want to toss them and then you want to make sure it's kind of like a wet. And you want to pick them up gently and you want to shake all that excess. We got one more to go. Okay, a couple minutes and here they go. Mm. See, we want that nice crust on them. I guess about. I'm gonna start taking these babies out. I don't want them to get too brown, but I want them to be a little brown and a little nice. These smell amazing. Oh my God, they're amazing. These are amazing pickles. There are my pickle wedges. Oh my God, these smell so amazing. I am serious. It smells delicious. Alrighty, so now I'm plating up these wonderful pickles. Oh, these wedges. Hey, I know you're bringing chips to the table all the time. It's okay. Why not do wedges? Pickle wedges. Pickle wedges are delicious and they taste good. And don't forget, this has got a little spice to them, and there's some ranch to go with it. Okay, I'm gonna get a little small one here. I'm gonna cut it in half. Oh, and see, look at the crust. Look at that crust. I'm gonna take a little bit and I am gonna dip it into this ranch and I'm gonna taste it. Oh my God, this is really good. Hey, cameraman, you got to get one. Oh my God, this is delicious. Hey guys, here are my fried pickle wedges. I love them. I love making them for my friends. I love making them and eating them by myself. And I love them when they come out hot. With that ranch and they're coming out hot, oh my God, they're delicious. And I hope you can make these for your friends. And I hope you come back for another episode. Because guess what? I didn't make these by myself. You and me, we made these together. Hey, I started off with doing 4 because it was just myself and I just wanted some fried pickles with some good old ranch. Then I thought, okay, I'm making 4. I'm sorry, guys. I did eat 1. So there's 3. They were so good. And when I leave here, it will be none. So please come back. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, I see you all guys next time. Bye.